Hi everyone, this is Dr. Jyoti Bala. I welcome you all on my YouTube channel. In this session, let me provide you a wonderful internship opportunity if you are planning to have a research experience in this summer. So don't forget to apply for ICER Kolkata Summer Research Program 2025. Let's find out the eligibility criteria, the benefits of applying to this internship and how you can apply. So let's begin the session. So let's start with the eligibility first. So if you are a BSc, MSc, BS, MS, BTech or BE student, then you can apply to this internship program. So this is provided by ICER Kolkata. You must know some of the key points here. This is not the online training. This is the on-site training. So you have to stay there in the ICER Kolkata. The hostel accommodation will be provided and there will be fee associated for that purpose. It's on the chargeable basis depending on the availability. You must also remember that you have to work on site every day 5 to 6 hours for approximately 2 months, and you also have to provide them a project report after the completion of your training. Once you are done with the submission of your report, then only you will be getting the certificate, which will be sent via the email. So if you want to explore the faculty members who are having the project, so kindly visit the official site of ICER Kolkata where you get the detail about the faculty members which are providing the labs for the summer training program. Most of our participants are from biology, so you can visit the Department of Biological Sciences and explore the different faculties who are working on different domain of biological and bio-related research. So see your career interest and see who are working in the domain which are overlapping with your research interest, and accordingly you can choose the laboratory and mentors. I will be providing you the application link. Just click on that. You will be getting the description and the details about this summer research program. They will provide you the journal instruction, the term conditions and important date associated with that, and also the interested faculty members who are providing their laboratory for the summer training program. So you will be getting the email address of all those faculty members from that list. So if you talk about the important dates, please remember that currently the application is open. It is going to be closed on 9th April 2025. They are going to announce the selected candidate list on around 19 April 2025. And the duration of this program is around 2 months. It is going to start approximately around 19 May and about to end around 18 July 2025. You have to apply online. There is a link provided there. You just have to click on the register online. Then you have to provide the personal details like your name, date of birth, gender, CVs, contact email, etc. Please have a look and fill the application form accordingly and upload the necessary documents like your CV and your recent passport size image. You also need to provide the academic details, your affiliation, and apart from that, you also need to provide the name of 2 faculty members where you want to get the trainings. And there's a section for the selected candidate. So once the application will be done, they are going to display the list of selected candidate here. In case of any queries, if you are having any particular queries related to application and associated guidelines, you can contact this official email address. I hope you have liked the session. Don't forget to like and subscribe the channel and do share these information among your scientific community. And please apply to this fellowship timely.